Right, hello you beautiful lot and welcome to today's episode of PurpleVision. Now, it's me, Leanne and young Tommy. Yeah, that's it, make yourself known, mate. Lovely, yeah. And on the recommendation from Wellingborough station staff, we are going to go to Melton Mowbray. So they mentioned it over to me early hours of this morning whilst I was here seeing a certain train come by. We're going to get the train over to Melton Mowbray where it looks like there's a country park with a dismantled railway going through it. So yeah, it'll be cool to see how things go.
No.
Oh, there's a train.
It's a slow one.
Oh, see, he's excited.
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, look, Tommy. Get the number. Get the number.
222.
Yeah, I heard that. E. You like that, don't you? Get the number. Yeah. Awesome. So yeah. So me and Leanne, we have got a 2 together rail card, so it meant that we got a third off our rail. So to do this journey, it's cost us £30 all in all. So thank you to our patrons, that's absolutely amazing. We love you all lots. Yeah, see how the day pans out. What do you reckon, Tom? You like that one, didn't you? Cracking. God, look at the track all moist. So here we are then. Train to Melton Mowbray, but we stop at Kettering first, and then we go the Melton line, which should have us go over the Haringworth viaduct. So I've never been over that one, it should be interesting. Bless you. Awesome. So there used to be there is two massive viaducts here in the UK. You've got one which is the Ribblehead viaduct, part of the Settle and Carlisle line, and then you've also got one right here in Northamptonshire, the Haringworth viaduct, or the Welland viaduct. Oh, there's the station. There's the scrapyard. Ready? Slow down for it. She's not allowed to accelerate on it, apparently. Here we are. Wow. You would never know you're on it, but underneath me is one of UK's largest viaducts. Oh, there's a long way down, eh? Isn't it beautiful? The Welland Valley. Me and Jamie Brady will have to come and explore all this at some point.
Yeah.
Don't know if we can see the viaduct back there. Right. Oh, bless you. So we're now coming into Oakham, and Leanne says she was basically born here, right?
Yeah, well, the nearest hospital's Leicester, so, but we lived here I lived here for 2 years of my life.
Oh wow.
And my parents lived here for quite a while before they, moved to Wellingborough.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oakham.
Yep. Around as well. Portsmouth, I think that's Leicestershire as well.
this railway, it actually looks really old. I mean, we've passed a couple of signal boxes, an old level crossing, and there's been old signals as well. So it's nice to know they've kept this one open since the beaching cuts. Might have to get out one day, come and explore. So, here we are, Melton Mowbray, and that looks like a Corby steel train, to be fair. I might be wrong. Whatever it is, it looks pretty awesome. 66030. Nice. Oh, there we go. Melton Mowbray. Here we are. There's a Corby steel train just up there, which is pretty cool. Oh, there you go. Home of Stilton cheese. Yeah, with my feet, that's the right place. Let's see if we can go discover a little something. Oh, okay. Oh, no lift. Nope. All right, okay.
They look like one of the old tracks.
It does, doesn't it? I mean, the infrastructure all the way down there was just amazing going past. And that only looks like half the station wall. Very strange. Beautiful. There you go. The Corby steel train. It's awesome. I have gone over to Corby with Jamie Brady, and we have looked at the dismantled Calthick quarry and the dismantled railway that went through it. So yeah, if you want to see that one, then I'll leave the tag down here for you. Go check it out. But for now, we're going to go have a quick mooch about. See if we can find a dismantled railway and a disused station. Bloody right. And oh, and a public footpath. We've got rails in the floor. So this must have been just a siding. Look. Oh, and there's a buffer. Oh, babe. Oh, awesome. There's even rails stuck in the ground there as well. So maybe all this was sidings. I'll have to show you on the overlay maps. That's pretty epic. Cool. Right. We'll go down this way. Yeah, why not? Permissive footpath to the marketplace. I do like that signal box though, that's pretty awesome. I like that. I know, isn't that magnificent? Look at the church. You like that, don't you? I think we're going to head straight for it, to be fair. That's the Heritage Garden, history of wedding flowers and colours. Okay. Okay. Hey.
No, a board.
Well, information boards is what we like, isn't it? So,
Oh, look at that.
I was looking at them plaques. There's one here as well. Look. Queen Elizabeth, the Diamond Jubilee, 2012. Okay. What's this? Vintage Craft Market, Melton Mowbray. The dates Sunday to the October 2nd and November 6th. Right. You're right, dear. I know, right? There's a lot to see about. Oh, that's windy. to make our way up here, because around there somewhere is our disused station. But we're coming near. Pryor's close, I suppose. Melton Mowbray Town Estate. The Melton Mowbray Town Estate has, since its inception in 1549, had a positive and beneficial influence on the townspeople of Melton Mowbray. Being an ancient charity, it was the premier local authority, carrying out all the functions that are now provided by the local authorities. Right, okay, yeah, boost yourselves. No. I think we need to follow this path down. Yeah. See, you know this place better than I do.
No, I just...
You got common sense, I know. Anne of Cleves, built 1384, great ale and fine food. What's that? Ah, Anne of Cleves. Oh, well, yeah, it's ironstone. Oh, right, okay. What you got? Oh, the London Road. This wall marks the eastern boundary of the London Road, used by medieval kings, and the only route between London and the north until the late 14th century. King Richard the Lionheart travelled along this road in 1194. There has been a boundary here for at least 1,000 years. Well, that's pretty interesting, don't you think? Ooh. Aprilio. No, April 10th, 1836. John Mixon. God.
Tuesday's 10 till 2.
Wow. Looks like they've got some prayer going on. Yeah. Let's not interrupt. Another day when I'm on my own. It's a St Mary's Church. It's got a very yellow tinge to the stone it's made out of.
And I think this is the Heritage Trail.
Oh, Melton Mowbray Heritage Trail, Church Street. To the left of Church Street, over the wall, is a workhouse which was converted to a house of spinning factory. In 1793, manufacturers from Leicester, intent on destroying any competition, marched on Melton and were halted by the militia at the Leicester Bridge. Soon after, the town's entrepreneurs abandoned the attempts to set up a spinning mill. This helped to determine Melton's future as a strong rural centre, and large-scale industry passed Melton by until the end of the 19th century. A play close to the riots. In front of the workhouse, to the rear of the two properties on the left, there are a large baking oven, 14 feet in diameter. In medieval times, corn milling and bread making was under the control of the lords of the manor, and anyone caught breaking this law was severely punished. Cool, right. Oh wow, look how old it is. Look at the little view.
Times, like the St Mary's.
Since Saxon times, St Mary's has been a spiritual centre of Melton. The fleur de lis represents the purity of Virgin Mary, and the symbol can still be seen on the rainwater spouts of the clerestory. That being the clerestory that's inside. Built to a cruciform plan, the ancient parish church is completed by 1330, with the upper celestial and tower being added in around 1500. Inside, the imposing aisles, transepts, are feature normally only found in cathedrals. On a sunny day, the 48 celestial windows stretching around the church give the interior a magical appearance. The heart of the church was built by the Mowbrays in the 12th century, evidence of which can still be seen in the lower tower. Initially, responsibility for the church was given to the Priory of Lewes, who founded Melton's first school. However, the priory fell out of favour in 1347 and control was handed to the town. Many memorials date back to medieval times, and in the south aisles lies a 13th century Crusader knight. On some days, you may climb the ancient tower past the Norman windows and find peal of bells before taking in panoramic views of Melton Mowbray. And that's magnificent, isn't it? Oh, we've got another history plaque here, look. Oh, look, the old courthouse. Circular 1550. Once part of the Swan Inn, the old courthouse was used for housing the sessions of the justices of the peace, for the detaining and lodging of prisoners, and as an armoury. As an armoury. Oh, cool. Well, that's awesome. Look at that. Joseph E. Walker, estate agents, architect and surveyor. A proper market. I mean, Wellingborough's one's been doing rubbish recently, hasn't it? But there's a King Street, so we may have to have a look there. We've got a cross. Look at the old building, that's pretty sick. Look how busy this marketplace actually is. I mean, if Wellingborough actually had the thought and the initiative, we could have a buzzing, vibrant market like this. Just seen another one. Look, King Edward the Seventh School. Graham Chapman, 1941 to 1989. Writer, actor, member of the Monty Python team. Attended this school from 1953 to 1959. This is getting far too silly. Awesome. Yeah, back in that railway architecture. And this, if I show you the overlay maps, is basically the site, Melton Mowbray North Station, which was part of the North Western and London and North Western Joint Railway. And yet again, it was mainly for the ironstone industry. It does look like everything is gone now, all for the sake of a little. So, we'll go up a little bit further. Looks like a farmer's market. It certainly is. Yeah, so it's a shame that's all gone, eh, Leanne?
Yeah.
But yeah, it says here that the line was opened in 1879 and the dominant traffic was ironstone. So I love my ironstone, of course, being from Wellingborough, where it is ironstone rich. Yeah. But it was the Great Northern London and North Western Joint Railway as a British railway line, almost entirely within Leicestershire. Authorised by the same Parliament, the Great Northern Railway Leicester branch was built, branching from the joint line. On the same basis, the Newark and Botsford line was built. The lines opened progressively in 1879 and 1883. The dominant traffic was iron, and the agricultural produce of the area also generated considerable business, like the Melton Mowbray pork pies. Yeah. So yeah, well, there's the disused station, I suppose. Well, what was. But it's nice that they left these little buildings like that. That's pretty cool.
And the top bit's old as well.
Yeah, it is, yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through to Melton Mowbray Country Park, because it looks like part of the railway line for this one runs through it and it is a footpath. So yeah, let's go for it. Well, looking at the maps, actually looks like our dismantled railway starts just down here. So yeah, this is the dismantled railway. Now, I'm not too sure about elevation. I mean, it may have been at the top there because that little brick building, but I'm not sure. I mean, this is all retainers. Look, there's sleepers in there. Ooh! There we are. We're now coming into the country park. Now, it does state on the map that there's an old brickworks just to me right in there somewhere. So, of course, for all the bricks of building the railway, they would have needed somewhere to make all the bricks. So, they big local quarries. I think it's a bit strange. I think that's just a balancing pond. Oh. A beck. Oh. That's Victorian built culvert there, look. God, blimey. I got the wrong shoes. I got the wrong shoes on. That's going to be slidey as anything. I can't do that. I've got me slippers on. But yeah, look, that's a Victorian culvert in there. Awesome. I wish I had my boots. I mean, the railway line may have even gone in there. I mean, this doesn't look like the right levels of land for it, but I don't know, I might see something a bit further up, because the way this is banked actually looks like it's a railway. Hey, oh, hang on a minute. Hey, look at that. There's another culvert. Oh, awesome. Oh, what have we got here? That's a culvert. And bear with me, Leanne. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, it's a double culvert. Ah, so that is your railway up there. That's your railway line. Okay, wow, look at those. I mean, I can get down here a bit. Oh, that looks like a mile post. It's got the little nibbing bit on it. Can you see through? Yeah, just. That's awesome. Our first bit of railway architecture. Good old-fashioned brick, look at that. That's mega. I like that. Right, let's get up here safely. God, I really do wish I didn't bring me slippers. Oh, you ready? Should we go for it?
Yeah.
Why not? So ideally, we need to try and get over the other side there and see if there's any more railway architecture. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Botsford, Newark, and Melton Mowbray, Market Harbour. Boundary line. This one's a bit different. So you can cross this brook. Lake and the visitors centre, but then we've also got another old-fashioned Victorian culvert. Good stuff, that. Yeah, so now we're on the other side. That's a nice park though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey up.
What are you doing?
Tommy, come in. Tommy. Tommy, 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 doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Come on then, test out your new booties. Yeah, you got sticks and stuff. You come in, or you can get me chase you. What you got? Tommy? Ooh. Got to pick it all up. Yes. Too much mess. Oh. Oh. I just want to see if there is anything of this railway left to actually come and explore another time. It's here, this hedge line here. This is the railway. And there's a gate there. Yeah, well, now we're getting back level with it. Ooh. Well, we've just come out of there and the railway line will go off there. There's a little gap in the trees, but it doesn't look buggy friendly. So it looks like we're going to have to cut this one here, I think. So there, we've walked a bit of a dismantled railway. Got to see a bit of Melton Mowbray. So I think that'll do for today. That's not bad. We're going to go get ourselves some fish and chips in Melton Mowbray and take home a pork pie. Got to be done. And I suppose we'll see these lot in the future, won't we? Yeah. So, thank you for joining, everyone. We love you lots.
Hello, Tommy.
Did you just drop that?
He's trying to get the feet.
Oh,
no, it is.
well, they love you all lots, mate. So, peace, love and light with a whole heap of Leicestershire unity.